Hello everyone, my name is Ananya P. Temkar and I am a first year student from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In this video, I shall talk about the clean and safe city concept in regards to civil engineering. Engineers strive to build ideal cities that are environmentally stable, equipped with various facilities, and which are safe to its inhabitants. In this video, I shall discuss the various components of clean and safe cities in regards to civil engineering. Without further ado, let us begin. A clean city encompasses various aspects including cleanliness, sustainability, and overall livability. It represents a commitment to preserving environment, improving public health, and enhancing the quality of life for residents. The notion of a clean city has gained significant traction worldwide as urban areas grapple with the challenges of pollution, waste management, and environmental degradation. Now I shall talk about the components of a clean city. They are garbage sorting, hygiene, reuse and recycling, plastic reduction, consumption, water usage, carbon footprint, and air pollution. Let us begin with garbage sorting. Garbage sorting involves the systematic separation of waste into different categories or streams at the source to facilitate proper disposal, recycling, and resource recovery. It is the most effective way of garbage discarding and hence keeps the public spaces free of littering. Reuse of certain non-biodegradable waste or dispose of it safely to prevent soil pollution. Now, let us talk about hygiene. Hygiene focuses on creating and maintaining a sanitary environment that promotes public health and well-being. It encompasses various measures and infrastructures aimed at preventing the spread of diseases, reducing environmental pollution, and ensuring access to clean water and sanitation facilities. Civil engineers design and construct public toilet facilities that meet sanitation standards and accommodate the needs of diverse populations, including people with disabilities, women, children, and the elderly. They also implement effective drainage and stormwater management systems, which are essential for preventing waterlogging, flooding, and the accumulation of stagnant water, which can serve as breeding grounds for disease vectors. Now, let us talk about reuse and recycling. Reuse and recycling focuses on minimizing waste generation, conserving resources, and promoting sustainable practices through the reuse, recycling, and recovery of materials. Civil engineers prioritize waste minimization strategies to reduce the amount of waste generated in urban areas. They develop and manage recycling infrastructure and facilities to collect, process, and recycle recyclable materials. They also explore opportunities for resource recovery and energy generation from waste streams. This is done by using various technologies such as anaerobic digestion, composting, and facilities to extract energy from organic and non-recyclable materials. Now, let us talk about plastic reduction. Plastic reduction involves implementing strategies to minimize the use and generation of plastic waste and mitigate the environmental impact. It focuses on promoting sustainable alternatives to single-use plastics, improving waste management practices, and raising awareness about the importance of plastic reduction. Civil engineers provide technical expertise to policymakers in developing and implementing regulations, policies, and initiatives to address plastic pollution. They also contribute to research and innovation in plastic materials and waste management practices to develop new solutions for tackling plastic pollution. Now, let us talk about consumption. It refers to the responsible use of resources, goods, and services to minimize environmental impact and promote sustainability. We consume resources that are required for various industrial, domestic, and commercial purposes. but it is important to use no more than the quantity needed. Otherwise, there is a risk of resource scarcity. Civil engineers design and implement infrastructures and systems that optimize the resource use, such as energy efficient buildings, water saving technologies, and sustainable transportation options. They collaborate with businesses, policymakers, and community to promote sustainable products and services, such as eco friendly building materials, renewable energy technologies, and so on. Now, let us talk about water usage. Water is a very precious resource, and fresh water is becoming scarce due to alarming growth rate of population. Civil engineers promote efficient and sustainable practices to ensure access to clean water while minimizing waste and environmental impact. They strive to design and implement water efficient appliances and smart irrigation systems to reduce water consumption in urban areas. These measures help conserve water resources. They are also responsible in developing wastewater treatment infrastructure and systems to treat and recycle wastewater for non-potable uses such as irrigation and industrial processes. Now let us talk about carbon footprint. Civil engineers can involve themselves in mitigating greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainability and reduce environmental impact. They are responsible for energy efficient constructions, renewable energy integration, and sustainable material usage to minimize carbon emissions associated with building operations. They also develop and implement sustainable transportation solutions such as public transit systems, cycling infrastructures, and pedestrian friendly urban design to reduce the reliance on carbon intensive modes of transportation such as private vehicles. Now, let us talk about air pollution. Civil engineers also implement measures to reduce emissions from various sources and improve air quality. They support adoption of clean energy technologies such as renewable energy sources, solar, wind, hydroelectric, and energy efficient systems such as LED lighting and efficient appliances. This is to reduce emissions from energy production and consumption. They incorporate green space and urban vegetation into city planning and design to enhance air quality. I hope you found this video educational and enjoyable. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.